This is an MVR question that deals on codes. If you have a question this way, how do we determine the code to use for the next one? This is a non-verbal reasoning question for 11th class students living in UK. So what you have to do, we have an example. We're going to look at this example and we'll now look at this particular question. So what do we have to do here? On this example, we have that this is F. Look at the codes at the top. Consider the codes at the top. We have F, we have Q, we have F. Now start with the ones with the same code, F to F. Why is this F and why is this F? Ask yourself what is similar. What is similar? We have a black shape. We have a black shape. So F goes to shapes that are black, code F, code Q. This is Q. Code Q goes to white shape. This is a white shape. So we're having a code Q over here. Now we'll come to the bottom codes. We have W and we have W. Why do we have W and W? Let's check the number of sides. Let's us count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A shape with 5 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A shape with 5 sides. So the bottom code goes to the number of sides of the shape. This is Z. 1, 2, 3. A shape with 3 sides. So this is a shape with 3 sides. It's going to be Z. And we have option C as our answer. So this is how to determine it. Let's look at this particular example. On the example here, I have B. I'm having B. I'm having B over here, and I'm having B over here. Why do I have a B and a B? The what is similar, what looks alike. If you look at this arrow, you'll find out that this is a normal line. The arrow has a normal line. This particular arrow also has a normal line. So for the normal line as the outline, we're having code B. This is a dotted line as the outline, and this is a dotted line. So for code X, it will go for a dotted line as the outline. So we have X here. Then this is a G and the G. Why do we have a G and a G? The both arrows are pointing up. So when they are pointing up, the code is G at the bottom. When the arrow is pointing down, the code is C at the bottom. So we have C at the bottom here. Looking at the options, option E is the one that has that. So this is how to determine question shape. Please like, share, and follow for more non-verbal listening questions.